how it's changed now since the 90s. That's a big difference in the drop off in the quality of production.
There's some stuff out there that's spiking. You know?
Some of the stuff you did.
No, I'm talking about right now.
Like, okay, but so right now, in like listening to your car, who would you listen to right now?
Drake.
Okay.
I rock with him. Kendrick.
Sure, of course. Right.
That's what I'm rocking with. Right.
Okay, all right. That's what's up, man. You're a legend. It's good to see you. Just out shopping today?
He was shopping yesterday.
I'm going to the paddock store, you know what I'm saying?
Heck yeah.
You messing up my exclusive.
Yes, here he comes. Yes, take a bow. Take a bow.
Yo, so the Browns fired Hugh Jackson, the head coach. What do you think, man? He's a fan.
What?
They fired their head coach, the Browns.
Yeah, I thought today was
Watch out.
Watch out.
You're an Ohio boy, man. I thought maybe you don't have something to say about that. I mean, have a good night. Hey, Nico, can you get me? Roger.
we trying to figure
Coolest birthday ever.
What's that?
Like 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, they're gonna
That's not that funny.
We don't let him know.
Yeah, I want that whole thing.
Yes.
Hey, man, I'm gonna go home and watch Rifle Winner now. Let's go looking out, man.
Richard. Hey, Richard, can you find my tape?
Yeah. Big win for your boys up there, man.
What's going on, guys? It's Ryan Phil. If you guys enjoyed that video, please smash that like button and also hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all our videos. So once again, smash that like button and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and check you guys out later and keep on shocking them, bros.